Hey guys, welcome to our final video. Now at this point we already have a running website right from the prototype to the final product. This is really amazing. This is the final product. From the prototype, from the mock-up, from the thing we design in XD, Photoshop, Illustrator, whatever tool you use, then finally we have our product running on the live website. Now we're still local, but still local on working on a local server. But now let's see how we can now send our website to another location, like on another PC, or Now let me show you the trick that happens online. This is what you do. We'll need two more plugins to install to our website. So go back to your admin panel and go under plugins. We are going to need two plugins. Okay, one is just going to install them. If you had internet, it was going to show you plugins from the WordPress plugins directory, which is of course wordpress.org/plugins. So that's it. And right now I don't have, my server is down, and and the admin is having some problems with me. He'll be like, oh, you man, I'm not giving you internet today. I don't know what's wrong with the admin, but don't mind, let's just work on that. I have the plugin, so I'm just going to continue. I hope you have internet. If you do, then you can go ahead and get the plugins I'm going to use. I already have one. I just knew I downloaded them before the admin could just turn off the internet. So this is it, and we have all-in-one WP migration. That's the version 6.7, but yeah, if it is the latest version, you let me know. This is the one I'm using right now, and just first, that's the first one. You can install it. You can install it. Yeah, open it. Alright, then install. Alright, great. Now for the start, we need that to export. That will be enough for us to export the website. Okay, it will be enough. Okay, now let's ask now, after we have that, now what does this plugin do? What does it do? It helps us export our website files, contents, and everything about our website into and make it a single file that we can later send to another location. It could be another person's PC, it could be your second laptop, it could be on your server online when you have bought a domain name, or it could be just to keep it a file. Okay, this is so this is how you export the file. You just go to once the plugin is activated, all-in-one WP migration, you will realize that it has got its menu listed among our menu on the left side. So all-in-one WP migration, go to export and then click export to, well, these are options. If you have an FTP account to a server, you can exactly do that and send it to the server. You keep it there safe. If you have a Dropbox account, you can do that, save it to your Dropbox account. But we're not doing this because we're going to need the internet and stuff like that. Now the Google Drive, it's also some kind of space you can use to save your stuff. So these are all OneDrive, Mega, blah blah blah. These are all stuff that different locations whereby you can you can save your file. But right now, as we're working offline, let's just save it as a file. Okay, our website, we're going to turn it into a file. Now it's going to just check if everything is all right, so that it can compress and everything, all our files into a single file. Once it's done, it's going to let you know and say, what, I got everything now and it's ready to download. What do you say? Well, nothing, just download it. Okay, just click that, and once clicked, it's going to download. Okay, as you can see right there, the download is oops, it's already done. Right, so I'm going to close it. Now I can go and check where this file is located. Let me check where it's located. the file. Come on, where are you? Oh, I need to show in folder. Now this is it. This is where the file is located. Okay, that's it. Alright, since we got that, it's called OSP internship. Good. I have the file already. I can copy it to another location, but no need, but it's still okay. Now that's right. So now we have the file. Now we need to go on another location and see how we can export our file. Now right now I'm just using one laptop, and I'm not going to try the online stuff because right now I'm just going to show you how you can do it and offline, and it's the same thing you can do online as well. So this is it, and you are going to just find another way of exporting this data, importing it into another WordPress installation, okay, so that it can override the data with this one, okay, the original data with this one we are coming up with. Now I'm going to instead use another installation of WordPress and see. Right now I have this one. This is our website, the one we just made, and this is another WordPress installation I just created. I don't know, remember when, but sometimes back, I guess. Now, well, this looks ugly, but it's kind of not too ugly, but this is what we are going to use. You see, there's a difference between that one and this one, okay? There's a really big difference. That's right, there's a really big difference between the two, okay? So that's it. So I'm going to instead use this one and override, so that you just check the address. This one is at localhost OSP internship, or localhost OSP internship, and this one is at localhost internship then WordPress. So I'm just going to override this one so that I have this content, and it's the same thing you do. Now when you are exporting, you need to download that plugin, and when you are importing, you first need a WordPress installation, then you install this plugin. After that, you can now import that file that you already have on your PC. Now I'm just going to use a different location. This is a new installation, a new WordPress. You can either use a fresh installation, but for me, I don't have to go back and install because I have an installation that I would like to override. Okay, it's called internship, then website, no, but web WordPress. This is another WordPress website, but I just want to override it. So if you do this on any WordPress installation, it's going to override it. Okay, so let me just log in the admin so that I can be able to import the new data. Right, I'm in a dashboard, but I don't have that plugin, so there's no way I can import this data, this website data. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to still install the same plugin I have there, so that I can, instead of using this option of export, I will use import. Okay, so I'm going to say plugins, and then add new plugins, upload. I have it already, so I'm just going to say, right, this is the one, WP migration. All right, so I'm just going to install it and say activate it. So I'm going to activate the plugin, and after the activation, I can see now this file here. So this is a new installation of WordPress. As you can see, we don't have the same pages. Okay, here we have 2 about page, 2 blog. It's not like the other one. Here we don't have the same post, week 1, week 2, hello dear students, welcome to OSP. All these are not all these posts are not in the other website. Now we are going to see how our website is going to be overridden by the other one. Okay, so that's it. All right, so I'm going to say okay, there's a plugin. Instead of export, because this is what we want to override, instead of export, I'm going to say import. Okay, so when I'm importing, then I have to specify, and I have to specify. Now remember here, just notice that you notice that the maximum file upload max is 500. The maximum is 512 MBs. Okay, sometimes it's less than this. Okay, sometimes it's less than this. So it does that because WordPress is plugin has already installed. But sometimes when the file size max is really smaller, sometimes it has 8, so we need another plugin. Okay, right now if we try, and go, we need to now go and import from file still. Then we go and say now we need to go back to that file. Okay, that file, this one, where is it? That file is in downloads. Okay, and then whoa, do I know where it is? In downloads, it's the big file. Okay, let me just, okay, yeah, I have some, but I know which one. Okay, it's that one. Okay, that's the file. Just make sure you know where your file is. Now when I'm okay, I can stop the import. There's something I want to tell you something. Okay, it does not show that, let me see, there's a plugin here which is kind of installed, and I need you to get aware of that. Now sometimes it's when I'm trying to export, no, I want to import instead. When you're trying to import, sometimes the size it's smaller. So when the size is smaller, we increase it. Right now mine has increased, but sometimes you may find yours is refusing. But what you need to do is to go back to plugins and install another plugin that depends on the other one. So you just upload it, and under plugins folder you just add you see, under plugin folder you go to Astra, I think. Yep, file plugins. Now you click this one. It's called all-in-one WP migration file extension. Okay, this one will allow you to extend the size of the maximum. Okay, if you don't have it, please install it because it will help you. Okay, it will help you. Now it's already installed, just activate it. Well, that one will allow, if you don't have it, just install it, because sometimes it may not give you exactly what I'm getting here. So that's it. Now you can import in it. The size is now 500, but sometimes it shows 12, 8, so that's it. We import now from file. Now you can go and select our file from downloads, and then I'm going to just get the files. It's just down here, right there. So that's it. I'm importing it. Let me hope I just selected the right thing. Hold on, I'm not sure about the one I selected. Just sorry guys, I must be having to this internship. Good, so it's the one. You can now go ahead and import it. Now we are importing it into our new website. Once it's done, it's going to warn us that, you know what, you're about to override everything you get. Are you sure you're about to do that? Then we are going to proceed, and there we go. So here it's done. The import is correct, and everything, we just say all right. So this import process will override your website, including the database, media, plugin, themes. So please ensure you have a backup of your data before proceeding. Of course, if I needed my previous data, I was going to first back it up, understand? But I really didn't need it because I'm just, this is a test website. Okay, it's not a real website. But sometimes you may need to back up your data before you override your entire website. Okay, so I'm going to proceed and see what will happen. Now it's going to replace everything here with my previous website data. This one. This is the one that's going to replace our new website that we had here. Okay, and it would be the same if you had a fresh installation of WordPress, or maybe maybe also on the server. Still, any website that you import data, it's going to if you import data into another website, it's going to override it and it will replace it. Okay, so this is it. Say you need to perform 2 more steps. You must save your permalink structure twice. All right, that's in settings. We're going to look at that. Then optionally review the plugin. That's all right, buddy. So close it, and then well, you can refresh this. You can refresh the window, and then it logs you out. Why? Because things have changed. Now here what you need to do instead is to log in. Now you log in with the password that this website was using. That's the password you used to log in. Okay, so I'm going to say it was using, I guess, internship. If you forget the password, then just well, I think I talked about the password in the first video, I guess, in the second or first video, something like that. Voila. So I'm in already. So you can see, let me just look at this website and see how it looks. You see, almost the same website as this one. You see, so that's how you transfer a website to another, from here to that, from that location to this one. Okay, so that's it. We have our website now, as you can see. Now we're going to this is it, and this is what happens really online. You just need to create a quick installation of WordPress and then import the stuff as we are doing here. Okay, so that's it, and I think that will be our last video. And what else? Alright, then they said we should save the permalink. Well, the permalinks, just go to settings and then just click permalinks. Okay, permalinks, yeah, it's still on post name, which is correct. Now we don't need anything more. So that's it, guys. You already have a website, two websites now that looks alike, but they are using different. This is under internship WordPress, but this one is under localhost OSP internship. So there are two different locations, but they are using the same website. So that's how you can get one website from this location to another location, and that's it. That would be enough, with basics about WordPress. You can do more than that. And another thing is, we have this copy on our website, so you can get it on our website. I mean, a copy of this. I'm going to also pack it in the folder. I mean, the copy of this website, I'm going to pack it as a file. So the password is internship. I'm going to also include that in a readme.txt. Then so you can visit, if you you can visit. There's one we uploaded during our live session. We uploaded our one's website on this address, OSP IT digital solution.com. Now this is we uploaded this one. We uploaded just font. Oh yeah, I just want to increase the size so you can see that. Okay, so we have a website. I mean, internship.ospitdigitalsolutions.com. If you visit that website, you will see a copy of that website, and we hosted it together, and that's it. We did it online, and this is the same. So guys, I wish you the best of luck, and go and create more websites with WordPress, and go try new themes and new plugins, and you will just be good as well. So that's it, and this is a cool website, a simple one, but functional. It can work online, and it will just be fine. So that's it, and see you another time, and yeah, good luck.